Today I'm going to be testing random viral best-selling Amazon products. I have no idea how this is gonna go. This could be a fail, this could be interesting. I don't know how anything works. But basically, these are really popular items that people love, and this is typically what I do behind the scenes. I'll order like 50 things, and then I will test them, try things on, like really narrow things down to what I'm actually gonna recommend to you guys. This is just, I guess, I wanna show you my process. All of this could suck, I don't know. It'll all be linked down below. Let's see what happens. Okay, so up first we have this Ultrasonic jewelry cleaner. I've been wanting to try one of these for so long. They're kind of expensive. It retails for $39.99 and it has 38,000 positive reviews, like 5-star reviews. It's the #1 bestseller. Basically, it uses ultrasonic vibrations to really clean your jewelry really well. I've not cleaned my diamond in probably 2 weeks. And look how like, it looks kind of cloudy. It just has a lot of gunk on it. Like I've been ready for this moment. But you can also clean other types of jewelry, silver, you can clean toothbrushes, you can clean watches, you can clean sunglasses. These are my favorite sunglasses. They're so inexpensive on Amazon, but they're just, I don't know, they're like gunky. I already have it plugged in. I know you put water in, so let's just add some water here. And I think there's different settings or like lengths of time. So I'm not going all the way up to the max line because I want to add quite a bit. So I'm definitely adding in my diamond and my bands. I also have Josh's Cartier necklace that I want to try because he never takes it off and it's not terrible looking. I don't know, it just looks a little gunky. That's the word that I keep using. And then here are my sunglasses. Again, maybe it's not showing up, but seriously, it's like bad. So I'm gonna put those in. Let's close that up, set the length of time. I'm doing 2 minutes. Is that right? No, 3 minutes. And there's a sound. So I guess we wait. Okay, it stopped. So again, I only did it for 3 minutes and I only used water. I did bring down the Dawn dish soap, which really can make your jewelry shine. And they said that you can add dish soap, you can add jewelry cleaner to this if you want to really get things to sparkle, but I just wanted to do pure water. And this you can do it for up to like 6 minutes. But I went in the middle with 3. So let's pull out my diamond. Like again, that's really what I was like excited about this for. So let's see how it looks. I've got a cloth here. It looks pretty good to me. So this is the after. It looks super, super sparkly. Definitely super sparkly. Okay, what about everything else though? Okay. Good, good, good. I feel like sunglasses, I don't know, like is it really that hard to clean those? I don't know. What about Josh's necklace here? So he has this panther necklace and there's, I guess, emeralds here that there was gunk in there. Yeah, that definitely looks way better for sure. Ew, like I can even see, you probably can't see this, but I can tell in real life that the water looks a little murky. So it definitely got stuff out. My rings do look better, especially along the side. I feel like you can't even really tell, but I can tell. I can tell. So that is good. Okay, I'm gonna try it one more time again with my jewelry, like my wedding bands and diamond with the Dawn dish soap because this just really makes things sparkle. So let's just try this again for another 3 minutes. Okay, while we wait, these sunglasses definitely look way better. They're also from Amazon. I can definitely recommend these without even hesitating. They're so nice. And then this sweatshirt, hopefully this isn't too loud, but this sweatshirt, every time I wear it, especially on Instagram, people want me to share it. And it's kind of like a worn out look. It is so nice. So I can link this below as well. Okay, I think we're done here. Yes, let's open this up. Cleaning off the ring. It might be a little bit sparklier, but honestly, I feel like the water worked just fine. I don't know, that looks so good. I love it, oh my gosh. Okay, so let's cut to my like decision here. I think this is definitely, I'm gonna give it 4 stars out of 5 because I think it works really well. Like you can even see, again, I feel like it's not picking up on the camera, but you can see the water is like kind of dirty looking. Like it definitely gets stuff off. It's just a little bit big and it's like $39. You could use it for other purposes. Like again, if you have dentures, I'm headed that direction. Maybe retainers, coins, silver, jewelry. Like if you have the need, this does work really well. Okay, next we're gonna go a little bit easier. So there's this lip glow oil on Amazon that apparently really rivals the Dior lip oil. like Dior version retails for $40, and I've bought it time and time again. In fact, this one, look how almost empty it is. I love this stuff. It's so different than the typical lip gloss. Like, it's really glossy, but it's more of an oil, and it just stays on your lips really well. It makes your lips really juicy. I just love this stuff. But this retails for $9.99, although there's a 30% off coupon I was looking at. It's between like $6 and $9, and you can get it in many colors. I got the cherry oil, which is the same as this. Let's just kind of like try both out. So this is what the Dior looks like. I mean, I don't know, you can't really, I have some lip liner on, but it's just like really glossy and just different. So that's that. Let's just wipe that off, and I'm gonna put this on. I have to reapply my lip liner, I think. Let's just put it on and see how it goes. I don't know. But it's a really pretty, geez, there we go. Okay, so it's like super glossy looking. Okay, seems similar. I think the Dior has a better smell. Not that this is bad. Maybe I'm just used to the Dior. Ooh, it has like a tingle. It has a tingle. The Dior one doesn't have a tingle. Like, not that like it's gonna plump up your lips really, but you know what I mean? Like, it has more of like a minty, it has some mint in there. But yeah, I really like it. I guess, I don't know. I guess maybe I'm also gonna give that a 4 out of 5 stars, because the thing is, I love the Dior, but it's $40 freaking dollars. You know what I mean? Like, half the time I don't want to recommend it because it's $40. But this is between $6 and $9. So honestly, I feel like that's really good. So maybe like 4.5, I don't know. Yeah, definitely, I would say if you want a lip oil, give this a go. Okay, let's move on to something I don't think is going to work, and I probably am not going to recommend, but we'll see. These are the viral, especially on TikTok, hair volumizing clips. And so they retail for about $9.99, like $8 or $9, depending on how many you order. They've got like 4 stars. They're kind of like Velcro clips. I think they're really easy to work with. So let's just look at my before here. So this is what my hair looks like now. And if this works, it'll give me lots of volume at the top of my hair, which I've always struggled with. And I also brought up 2 volumizing mists. I'm not sure which one I should use. First, we have the Kenra Volume Mist. I really like this stuff. And then we also have the Pureology Instant Levitation Mist. I feel like that sounds like what I want. Basically, I'm gonna spray this at my root, put these in, blow dry it to set it, and then remove the clips, and hopefully I have a lot of volume up here. But which one should I use? I don't know, I'm just going with the Pureology. It says Instant Levitation Mist. So I'm gonna spray my roots. Get it really in there. I need a brush. It's wet. There's a brush in here. How convenient is that? Okay, we're just gonna brush this down, killing the volume at the moment. Okay, so I think you just put them in like that. See, like it lifts, right? Yeah, I don't know. Okay, I did it. So once you get the hang of it, it's not too bad. You just slide them in. It's really not hard. This is, out of everything, honestly, this is what I want to work the most, but I think it's gonna fail. Again, I sprayed this in there, so my hair at the root is definitely damp. I'm going to take a hair dryer and apply some heat and just dry everything. Okay, I feel like maybe I should have saved this for the end because I probably just ruined my hair for the video. I feel like this is gonna look really bad. Definitely applied heat. I think my hair is definitely dry at the root, so let's just take them out and see what the heck it looks like. And again, these are Velcro, which kind of just grabs onto the hair. Oh, that's bad. That's not good. Oh my gosh. This is so dumb. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I definitely should have saved this for the end. I'm gonna have to, for the rest of the video, my hair is gonna look ridiculous. Okay, let's see if we can save it. This is not good. I mean, there's like a little, but no, there's peaks. It's like I have horns. I'm just gonna say 1 out of 5 stars, not a fan. These are cheap. I just think there's better ways. Let's talk pickles next. And by the way, I went off camera to try to fix my hair, and it looks ridiculous, so just don't mind that. But anyway, this is a pickle strainer jar. I am very anxious to give this a go. I think my kids will love this. I probably don't care about this as much as maybe some people do, but basically the gist of it is you put pickles or olives or peppers, and it's like this flip design that when you're not using it, it keeps all the juice around the pickles or the olives, but then when you wanna actually have some pickles or olives, you flip it upside down, all of the juice strains to the bottom, and then you can easily pick out what you want without having to like fish around and dig in the gross liquid, which I don't really care, but my kids, I feel like, can't stand all the liquid. Like they're always like, get it up, I don't know. Let's just see how it goes. There's quite a lot of juice and quite a lot of like herbs in there and stuff, so let's just pour it in here. Oh my, I'm getting splashed with juice. Ah, wow, that's a whole leaf. That's unusual. What kind of leaf is that? It looks like a maple leaf. It's leak proof apparently. I guess we'll test that out. So as you can see, all of the juices, you would like put this in the fridge and it would be like, you know, all soaking in there. But then when you're like, hey, I want a pickle. Wow, okay. I think mine just has tons of liquid. Thing is, this is like a massive container. Like as you can see here, like you can just like pick it out, but there's like so much liquid in the jar that I used that there's still liquid kind of floating around in here. But I mean, basically you can't just like pick it up easily. So I don't know, I'm like torn because I feel like it worked, but I have like a weird pickle jar. I'll give it a 3 out of 5. I do kind of like flipping it though. Okay, I put my hair back. It's a mess. I smell like pickles. This is going well. I'm very excited to try this next thing. It is called the Bottle Emptying Cap. Has really, really good reviews, like 5 full-star reviews. It retails for $16 for a 2-pack, so that's what I got. It is like this bottle emptying thing where, say you run out of lotion, shampoo, conditioner, hair gel, condiments, that kind of thing. This is the kids' shampoo that they use, and it's like completely out, well not completely, but almost out, and so they can't get any more out, but I know there's way more still in the bottle. And so I think you connect some of this or something to this, and then it allows you to keep it upright and get out everything. So this is what it comes with. I know there's different sizes. I think we unscrew this bottle, so there's still stuff in there, but it's hard to get out. Oh my gosh, what if it doesn't fit? It says it's like universal. No, okay, that worked. Okay, so you do that, and then I think you take this and it allows you, yes, it allows you to screw this on. And then that way, it's like this little like tripod. And it allows you to keep the things upside down so that when you go to use them, everything is upside down and you can get every last drop out. So I love this idea. All of my shampoos, body washes, I struggle with at the end, even like I said, food. So here's my, just like a little paper towel. Let's see if this works. Open it like, yeah, open it like that. Ooh, yay! I think I like this. Yes, definitely like this idea. It works really well. There's different sizes for different bottles. And then you can just keep it in your shower, in the refrigerator, wherever, and actually use all of the products. So I'm gonna give this, I don't know, I feel like, should I give it 5? Yeah, I'm just gonna, 5 out of 5. Yay. Next we have what's called the Fidget Cube. My kids already gave this a go and they really like it. I feel like I'm not going to like it, but it's for people that just have to be doing something. Like they like to fidget, they like stress relievers, they like to be messing with something all the time. I feel like that's not really me. This is $11, really good reviews again. Comes in a lot of colors. I got it in like this light blue shade just because I thought maybe my kids would enjoy it. But basically it is just a lot of different tactile, like here's a joystick, there's buttons you can press, there's like things to wind, there's like just things to do on either side. I think it's great for kids. It's kind of like a toy. I gave it, like Paxton was playing with it for like 20 minutes, literally. He was watching a show and he was kind of just like doing things. Oh, I was filming something and he was watching me and he was just like playing with this. I feel like you could give it to a kid in the back seat and it kind of occupies them. Maybe you're at a doctor's office. I think there's other people like grown adults that do just have to be doing something all the time. And I feel like this could be good for them. But for me, I would never use this. So for me, I'm gonna say like a 2 out of 5. But for a kid or somebody that just needs to be messing with something all the time, I would say 4 or 5. Okay, so I'm back with this Conair 2-in-1 steamer and iron. So that's what I mean by 2-in-1. You can steam with this. It's a handheld steamer, but you can also iron. And look, I even busted out my mom. This is probably from the 60s. I don't know. This is so old. It's so stained. I never use it. I hate ironing. Steaming is the way to go. I have a professional like floor steamer that's kind of massive. I can link this one. It's over $100. Some people just don't want it to be this big, but it works so well. I love it. But like I said, a lot of people prefer the handheld. It takes up less space. So if this works really well and you have the option to iron it, because sometimes you want like creases in pants or, you know, just certain things, maybe you prefer to iron. I don't know. So we'll see how this goes. I have these pants that are very, very wrinkled. So I'm going to hang it here and steam one leg and then iron the other leg and see how it goes. Okay, so this is already on. I can change the different modes. So it starts at low, then goes to mid, then high, and then turbo. Not sure what turbo does. Let's just go to high, and then you can hit the steam button. So let's just see what happens here. Oh, that's an interesting sound. Maybe it needs to get going. Oh, yes. It's happening. Whoa. This is good. These pants are really bad. This is excellent. I'm liking this. Turbo. I like it. This is good. This is impressive. Let's try ironing. I hate ironing. You have to like get all the wrinkles out. Oh, I have an idea. Let's do the lick test, you know, where you like lick your finger and then see if it zaps you. Ooh, it did. Ooh. Okay, here goes the iron. Let's see what happens here. Let's add some steam, because that's what I do when I actually iron. Let's try to give it a crease. Okay, yes, look at that crease. Okay, I don't know if you can see this or not, but that crease is really good. So I think this is my favorite thing so far. So I really did save the best for last. That was not my intention. I feel like a lot of you probably didn't even make it this far. If you made it this far, comment down below. 5 out of 5 for this for sure. So I will have everything linked down below, although I'm definitely not recommending everything. This lip oil, I did really like this. I think it's good. The ultrasonic jewelry cleaner, I have noticed throughout this entire video how sparkly my rings are. So I do think that was really good. Also loved the bottle flipping thing to get out all the excess stuff. I think that's really useful. The other stuff, and hopefully you found this semi-interesting. And subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.